Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix control center not showing on iPhone. How to fix this issue. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have first solution, force restart your iPhone. So then you have volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed in 5 to 10 seconds. Wait, and then your mobile is restarted and your problem will be fixed. Other is a first solution is not working. Their second solution, you have enable control center access within apps. So you have open the setting and then you have click on control center, then you have access within apps, then you have turn off on enable. So then second solution is not working on iPhone. Then third solution, you have remove and re-add control center items. So you have uh, again open the setting, click on control center, then you have scroll up, then this options, then you have minus from here some, for example, camera remove, then you have some few seconds wait, and then you have re-add of this option on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, if not working, there fourth solution, you have install iOS update on your iPhone. So you have again open the setting and click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone is available, then you have installed on your iPhone and then your problem will be fixed. Then other solution, you have reset all setting, then you have uh, again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer reset, then you have click on reset all setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken a passcode, and then some seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. Reset all setting, do not lose any data, only reset setting of iPhone on your mobile. So then last solution, you have to turn on voice over. So you have open the accessibility, then you have click on voiceover, then you have voiceover is turn on, then you have voiceover speak items on the screen. Tap once to select an item, then double tap to activate the selected item. Then सो गाइस जब आप ये टर्न ऑन करेंगे तो आपको एक फिंगर पर ये काम जैसे अब कर रहा है, तो ये एक फिंगर पर काम नहीं करेगा, ये डबल फिंगर लेगा तब ये आपका काम करेगा। तो जब भी इसको ऑन करना तो वो थोड़ा ख्याल से करना और सोच समझ के करना, ये आपको मैं सेटिंग बता रहा हूँ। जैसे ये आप वॉइस ओवर ऑन करेंगे तो ये डबल फिंगर मांगेगा, तभी आपका मोबाइल काम करेगा, वरना एक फिंगर पर ये काम नहीं करता। तो ये थी दोस्तों आज की वीडियो, उम्मीद है पसंद आई होगी। लाजमी शेयर करें, लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।